Assalamu alaikum everyone, Larib Khalid here. I welcome you all to English language lecture number 1 of week 5. In this lecture, we will talk about the rules of essay writing. So, we will talk about what is an essay, how can we improve our essay writing, and how can we write an impressive or persuasive essay. So, let's get started. Okay, what is an essay? Essay is basically a piece of writing in which we describe, clarify, or analyze a particular topic. So, when we start essay writing, we introduce the topic first. So, in introductory paragraph, we introduce a topic and introduce the several main points of that topic. Then, it is followed by the body paragraph, that is 4 to 5 paragraphs or 3 to 4, you may say. In that paragraph, the body paragraph, we talk about the further details of that topic. We talk about facts and figures, pros and cons, and our personal suggestions. Then we conclude in the last paragraph the whole essay, what we are talking about, the whole, what is the main story, what we are talking about in the whole essay. We conclude in the last session, that is concluding paragraph. So on the whole, essay is divided into 3 parts: introduction, body, then conclusion. Okay, let's take an interesting example for this method, that is hamburger method. Just like sandwiches or burgers we eat, essay also have different layers. As we already have discussed, the introduction, body, and conclusion. So let's have a look at this burger. The top bun of this burger is introduction of our essay. Then we add lettuce, tomato, and meat to make it more yummy, delicious, and tasty. Likewise, we add body paragraphs in our essay to make it more attractive towards reader. When the reader reads our essay, he or she will stick towards our essay. So, to make it more interesting or attractive towards reader, we add body paragraphs. We add facts in these body paragraphs. We add facts and figures, more details, more suggestions, and interesting facts about that topic to make it more attractive towards reader. So then we add bottom bun to make it to close that burger. Likewise, we add concluding paragraph, we add conclusion to end our essay. So hope this is more clear to you by giving this picture. Okay, what is an introduction? In introduction, it has 2 parts: journal statements and a thesis statement. Journal statements are basically few sentences about the topic to make it more catchy or attractive towards reader. Then it comes thesis statement. Thesis statement is basically one sentence or that tells about the main point of your topic. It that summarizes the whole scenario or the whole story what you are going to talk about in your essay. That is the thesis statement. Then comes body paragraphs. Now body paragraphs are 3 or 4 or 4 or 5 according to the topic. So we talk about further details of that topic in these body paragraphs. We talk about main idea in detail, then the advantages or disadvantages of that topic, then suggestions or facts or details about that topic to make it more persuasive towards reader. Likewise, the burger we have seen, whatever we add in the body of that burger, the lettuce, the meat, the tomatoes, or ketchup, or whatever we want to, it makes it more delicious. So whatever we add in these body paragraphs of our essay, it makes it more persuasive towards the reader. It will stick the readers toward your essay. Then comes conclusion. Now in this conclusion paragraph, we talk about the summary of the whole essay. We summarize the main important points what we are talking about in the whole essay. Then we give our opinion or suggestion or prediction or solution to a problem. So in this conclusion paragraph, we end our essay. Likewise, the bottom bun, we end our we complete our hamburger, this concluding paragraph completes our essay. Okay, I hope so you people have understood what is an essay writing. Now coming up to your assignment. So you have to write an essay on online learning. The word limit is 150 to 175 words. So as we have talked about the essay, its the layers, or I have given you an interesting example to make it more attractive or easier for you. Your essay must cover these points. Write an introduction and explain what is online learning. So it is like the top bun of the burger. You have to introduce the topic. What you have to introduce what is online learning. Then you will come up to the body paragraphs to make your essay more crispy, yummy, and attractive towards the reader. So you have to write about under which circumstances are online classes conducted. What are the conditions in which classes are conducted? These classes are conducted. Then you will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of online learning. Then in the last and concluding paragraph, you will write about the experience of online learning. As you are also having experience of online learning, so you will talk about your own experience in this essay. You can take help from internet, magazines, newspapers, or anything you want to. But this essay must include your personal touch, your personal thinking. So I hope so you people have understood the whole story I have been telling. Then good luck for your essay writing. Thank you.